Wish me luck, folks. Here I go.
Exactly. Exactly what's inside. I do not know exactly what's inside. I'd like to see exactly what's inside, waiting to be hatched. Will it look like a dust mop or socks that do not match?
And what's wrong with looking like a dust mop? I'd like to know.
Exactly what's inside. What could it be? Exactly what's inside. I'm full of curiosity. Exactly what's inside. I'm anxious now to see. But I know one thing for sure. It's not exactly like you or me. What's inside that big old egg? Is it big or small? What's inside that big old egg? Will it grow up 10 feet tall? Is it striped or is it spotted? Is it nicely polka dotted? Does it have a beak or nose? Or 27 tiny toes?
Maybe 28.
Exactly what's inside. I do not know. I'm not exaggerating. I do not know. It's so exasperating just to watch and wait. Come on, egg, get cracking. Won't you accelerate?
I wonder if Birdie is really big enough to do this. Well, nothing's happened yet, that's for sure.
Hey, maybe we could tell it a joke.
A joke? Why, Ronald?
Cause that might crack it up. Whatever's in that egg, come out and say hello. Cause that's the only way that we'll ever know. Is it something unexpected? Don't leave us mystified. Come on, egg, now show us. Come on, egg, now show us. Come on, egg, expose us to exactly what's inside.
Mama!
Why, it's a baby. Something. Looks kind of like a humongous bowl of popcorn.
Ronald, we gotta go. The aliens are waiting for us, remember?
Ronald, how can we get to the aliens in time? Now that we stopped to hatch the... whatever it is.
No problem. Our intergalactical magical radio station rocket ship has a built-in time shifter.
What's that?
Just twisting this dial will turn time back, like this. Save the aliens right away. Any moment, we'll save the aliens right away. Let's go, gang, to Asteroid 23!
Asteroid 23!
Beaming down. Now, where are they?
Sleep!
Over there, by that sardine can.
I think that's their spaceship, Max. Let's see what's wrong. Hey, the fuel gauge reads empty.
Wuzzle fuzz, wuzzle fuzz!
Right, wuzzle fuzz, empty. Yeah, it'd sure be easier to help you if we could understand what you're saying better.